Hello, this is Eric, and I received an interesting package in the mail today. I already know one component is XGI Volari Duo V8 Ultra. I was told there's a surprise, a little gift inside, so I guess we'll see. Let's take a look inside. So here's the Duo. Let's see how this bad boy looks. All the requisite cables. Software. Undersea lab. Pretty cool. See how this bad boy looks. It's definitely pretty heavy, I'll tell you that. It's crazy, crazy heavy. Thing of beauty. Few bulging capacitors for sure, but nothing that can't be fixed. Let's check out what else. That's awesome. The V3 for a beast. Nice little sticker. Oh, that's nice. Capacitors all look pretty good on this one. And I have no idea what this is. Oh, it's an ATI Rage 128 Pro. Actually, I already have one of these, but nifty little cards to have. Nice little cards to have, just to get by for testing. All right. Excellent. Thank you.